Okay, here we have the Z11 RGB 10 keyless keyboard. To switch colors is very simple, no software even has to be installed. You just hit Alt and FN. You can see here, FN and Alt. Changes the different colors. Comes with a bunch of different pre-made cool looking effects. There's one where you just tap buttons and it will light up wherever you touch it. That one's everything on. Bunch of them. It's really cool. And there are a bunch of shortcuts like that built in for macros, for different functions, like the keypad that you don't have on the side. You can get to different keys by hitting FN and Alt and different keys on here. FN and space changes colors also, like this. That's really cool.